So hello students, welcome to my channel. I am the teacher over here and today I am going to deliver you a speech on this special occasion of Children's Day. Good morning, honorable principal, venerable teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. You are going to write your name here of class, you are going to mention your standard here of this organization, you are going to mention your school or college where you are studying. Today I have got this special opportunity to put my views point on this special occasion of Children's Day. Universally Children's Day is celebrated on 20th November every year and declared by the United Nations in 1954. But in India it is celebrated on 14th November because of the date marks the birth anniversary of legendary freedom fighter and independent India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on 14th November 1859. As is known, he had an extreme love towards children and he worked passionately for the welfare of children and youngsters. Soon after independence, he was keen about welfare and education and development of children and thus became popular as Chacha Nehru among his little admirers. Nehru was a forceful speaker, strong leader and much love for children. He also was a great statesman and a very learned person. Whenever he went, the children flocked to him and greeted him with flowers as a tribute to Nehru and his love for children. Children's Day is celebrated on his birthday. This day reminds to each and every one of us to renew our commitment to the welfare of children and teach them to live by their Chacha Nehru's quality and dream. After all, I would like to say something about children. Children build the nation sound and strong. Today's children play a very vital role in developing the country or a nation. One may question how these tiny tots can change the nation. Yes, because today's children are tomorrow's responsible citizens of the country. For a country to develop lies in the hands of a child. Children should imbibe to value of discipline, silence, sense of order, cleanliness, beauty and such other values in them to become a good person in this society. The foundation of knowledge, skills and attitudes which children display in the later life is laid in the impressionable period on the form which is a world in itself, providing varied and numerous opportunities for learning through observation, suggestion and influence. Education, which is not information but the formational mind, does not begin only when the child is put to school. Great men like Shivaji, Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi, whose lives well served as a model to others, have acknowledged with reverential gratitude the value of the wholesome training they received at the hands of parents while young. So children should respect their parents, teachers and study well. A child is a clean state where the eldest can write anything on it. So write all the good things so that he can grow as a good person in the society. If human values are included in our children, the 21st century can promise a hope for much better future. The country which is more careful towards the children care the more developed in the country. So Maxim Gorky, a philosopher, was of opinion to keep the last palm of sugar and wheat for the children so that they will become luxuriant citizen of the country having promising growth. At last, thank you everyone for the patience and looking forward to a nice Children's Day. Jai Hind.
Yeah.